The performance of the Spanish market has been very similar to other markets worldwide. Having said that, the Spanish market has performed better than other European markets, and that's a result of a stronger economy. We've been growing 3% last year, 2.5% expected for this year versus kind of 1% for Europe. There are several key themes that we've seen in M&A, starting with private equity, and on the buy side. They've been a very important kind of driver of volumes on the buy side, since many of the private equities have recently raised big funds and they're looking to deploy that capital. And Spain has historically been a very friendly market for private equity. Another big topic in the Spanish market is consolidation. Consolidation across different industries, and obviously TMT is one of those. We've seen kind of the market going from 4 players to 3 players with the merger of Orange and MásMóvil, and I think that we're going to see more of those. Valuations have got a lot more discipline, with the exceptions of data centers, where we're seeing kind of activity remains very, very strong. There are a number of platforms that have been developed, both domestic but also international platforms, and there are a number of platforms potentially coming to market with a lot of interest, both from financial sponsors and strategics looking to kind of position themselves in Europe and using Spain as an entry point. And finally, in other infrastructure, what we're seeing is a re-emergence of activity there. I think the reason being infrastructure funds have been very much focused on energy and digital infra assets over the last, call it 5 years. And what we've seen is that they found themselves underweight in other asset classes like transportation or social assets. So this adds a kind of diversifying kind of point to their portfolios, where we expect to see more activity going forward.